Giraffes are the tallest mammals on Earth. Isn't that right, Dad? And he sticks his head and shoulders. He's so tall you can't even see him on the camera. And just so you know, this is a toy, but but this is how giraffes sound. But they don't talk very much. And they have a nice tail right here. They should be king of the beasts. Do you think that? Because they're really tall. They're taller than they're even taller than elephants and lions. So the giraffes should be the kings of beasts, right? Well, if you like this video, and subscribe here as well. Subscribe to TCAP and all you can see the next little giraffe videos like this one. Goodbye, everyone.